it's Christina right here at Tameron Hyundai of Hoover. I am super excited. You inquired about the all-new venue. Check this out. We have some amazing things going on at the dealership here. One, we are sanitizing the dealership daily and cleaning all the touch points throughout the day. So we're trying to make it safe not only for ourselves, but absolutely for our customers. But in the event you don't feel comfortable with that, we are absolutely willing to bring this vehicle to you, sanitized, and if you have a trade, we'll even bring the trade back, have it appraised and sanitized and brought back to you. We can work everything from the comfort of your home where it's safe and secure for you. So just let me know if that option works best for you, or if you'd like to come in and check out this amazing venue. To top that off, Hyundai is doing some amazing things with the stimulus package. They are doing 3 months to the very first payment. As well, if you purchase this vehicle and for some reason were to lose your job due to the coronavirus, they will do 6 months of no payments as well. So we're trying to make sure it's not only safe and secure for you to come in and purchase the vehicle, but make sure that you're secure in the fact of knowing that Hyundai has your back if something happens and you're unable to take care of it. So give me a call here at 205-314-0301. My name is Christina. Now with all that being said, let's check out this cool vehicle. It's going to have our famous honeycomb grille on the front with the Hyundai symbol in the beginning. You're going to notice that it has LED headlights along with daytime running lights. Come on around and check out this amazing vehicle. The SEL package is going to come with our amazing Apple CarPlay, Android Auto with backup cam. You're also going to get things like our digital climate control, as well as power windows, power door locks, and several of our other amazing options like the blind spot warning, as well as your lane departure. But the best part about this vehicle is that it comes with America's best warranty. It's a 5-year, 60,000 new car warranty, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double here at Tameron, to 20 years and 200,000 miles. Listen, you can't beat the warranty anywhere. To top it off with the stimulus package, we are going to add on 3 years of worry-free maintenance. That means you don't have to worry about paying for your maintenance for 3 years and 36,000 miles. Listen, this is the best time to buy a car. Give me a call. My number is 205-314-0301. My name again is Christina. I look forward to speaking with you soon and showing you why you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover.